So for us, when you start out in branding and stuff like this, or any kind of design, um, you tend to do what like the client think they want. They come
Mhm.
to you and say, "Hey, we want a poster, or we want a logo, or we want a flyer or a website," right? That's how it usually works. But no one, well, you tend to not really ask the client, like, why do you really want this, right? And there was a time around 5, 6 years ago where we started asking ourselves that question. We caught ourselves doing a lot of stuff, and we didn't know why we were doing it. So we came up with a new process, which is kind of the more strategy side of things. Is before we do any designing, now with every single project and every client, we do a couple of workshops which span 3, 4 days. And really, that is, we sit down with them, and with a workshop, our method, and a couple of exercises, we discover what that business needs, together with our clients. So it's a very collaborative process. And through this discovery workshop, we get to, one, on our end, learn about the business, but two, for our clients' end, they get to kind of rediscover their business as well.
Mm.
A lot of times when people start businesses, they have an image in mind, a very clear pathway. They come up with scenarios, and they come up with what they think their clientele is and what they think their message is. But after the workshops, they realize there is some points that they are off. So we guide them into discovering kind of their true market and their true messaging. Yeah.